Presiden kami Kerja Pradesh Congress Committee ba Vincent H Pala Laong ba kajing penkrek jong ka kenhun mantau ya ka North East Regional Front kadai tang ka buj ban Pynbiej ya ki paj ba dang sian Presiden ke NPP konat ke sangma bare unong mitrang ba ka jelam Kerja nang tau noilam ka Tripura Mortau Pradiot Bikram Mania Dep Barma ba Daniel Langthasa na Assam nolagui pat kiniam seng sang putai jong ki jela North East kiai Syong hapo Delhi ban Sandur bantau ya North East Regional Front banyak kun di gimat badai jong gipat ba kani katany habakran hologani mentaka sengi ka sitarik unai no pra aja pesan u ba pala keno ba kani ke front ka daitang ka Bula jong ke BJP ban Pynbiej ya gipat ba nama bah North East gipat ba kim tre ya ke BJP bat nakata kadau ki satau da kani ke boy ba pala lakam ru ba ya kendu ya katokan ngut ki breu jong ka RSS bat kini lam ke BJP hakal lingsun ke Iathuh ya kani ke plan jong ki
The one region Pradyut Conrad coming together, I personally see that this is a plan of the RSS and the BJP because why? They know that many of the people, the tribal people in Northeast, many of them they don't like BJP. So what they do, they make another baskets. The anti-BJP they put into another basket so that they will not go anywhere. Why I'm saying so, I met a few of the leaders of the RSS and the BJP in the airport. Then they've openly told this, that this is the plan of the BJP so that the anti-BJP will not go to a congress or so they should be somewhere, wherever they go, but after election they'll go and work with the BJP only. So I'll be happy if they have good intentions. But if you see who are there in the baskets, all are friends of the BJP only, or are ex-BJP only. So definitely is 100% a plan of the BJP. Knowingly or unknowingly, our friends will be in that, in that plan. So the people of Northeast should be carefully see that if they, what's the difference between this basket and the BJP's basket? There's no difference. Once they are there, and even now they are with the BJP. So the people should be smarter than what than what they planned.